Today's featured car is a 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle LS5 convertible with a 4-speed. And this one I filmed at the Mecum Classic Car Auction in Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas on November 1st, 2025. And it was lot number S150, S150. If you want to take a look at it, you can go to the Mecum site and get more pictures and more info on it. But it sold for $112,750. And I'll read off the Mecum listing for it. Odometer reads 63,510 miles, and 454 LS5 engine, a 4-speed, meticulous restoration, Muncie 4-speed manual transmission, 12-bolt rear end, power steering, Willwood 4-wheel power disc brakes, which were upgraded, vintage air, which was added, cowl induction hood, power-operated black vinyl top with glass back window. And like I said, this one sold for $112,750 on Saturday, November 1st at the Mecum Dallas Fort Worth 2025 auction in Fort Worth, Texas. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.